Hey guys, how you doing? Local tree guy and I got together here the other day, and he gave me a couple more saws that he wants me to take a look at. A 346 XP and a 246. I think this is just the older version of that, and probably a little less powerful and stuff. But anyway, this is what he uses for climbing saws. This is the old guy that I was talking about. He's I say old guy because he is just about 80 years old. I thought he was in his 80s, but he is going to be 80, I think, this year. So this is what he uses for a climbing saw. Hooks these on his climbing belt. This is a brass ring that you would put in a bull's nose to lead him around. But that's what he uses. And you know, I asked him. I said, "How come you don't use a topping saw?" And he said to me, "Well," he said, "I'm usually working alone." And he said, I don't always have a ground guy. He said, "So when I'm up there," he said, "I climb up once and I bring the saw that I can use almost all the way down." And he'll only use a 20-inch bar too. So he was very, very specific on how he does it and what he uses. He'll only use 3/8 pitch chain, and he'll only use a 20-inch bar, and he wants it on a saw that's powerful enough to run a 20-inch bar. So what he'll do is he'll buy 2 or 3 of the same saw. I think he has 3 of these, and he labels them A, B, and C. It's how he keeps track of them. He'll do that with all his saws, but he likes to keep them all the same. He's got like 3 359s. He's got 3 570s. That's what I was working on the last 2 saws that he brought up, and that's just how he does it. Like he said to me, he said, I'm not a mechanic. I'm a tree guy. So basically, he runs a saw until it won't run anymore, and then he'll see if he can get somebody to work on it. So I happen to be that guy for right now. He was pretty happy with the other 2 that I brought back to him, so he gave me something for working on them. And I'm pretty happy with it. So I'll show you what he gave me. He gave me a 362 XP Special. I don't know a whole lot about this saw. This model, I've never ran it or held it. From what I gather, it's the same chassis as a 365 or a 372. That's about as far as I've gotten with it. I only wiped it off, haven't done anything else. Pulled the cover off. I did see that it's one of the small wires to the kill switch. It looks like it got the flywheel ate it because it's non-existent. So I'll have to replace that. I did find that the throttle linkage was off the carb. I hooked that up. That was relatively simple. I don't know why it was off. And inside under the air cleaner cover here, somebody made a makeshift wire to hold the filter down. It's not the factory clip, so I'll probably buy one of those. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get this thing running. And you know, yeah, I thought that was pretty nice. He gave me that, and you know, I'll see if I can get it going, have some fun with it, and we'll do some videos on it. Like I said, I don't know a lot about these saws. If you guys have run them or heard of them, let me know. What do you think of them? Is it a decent saw? I think it is, but you know, I don't really know. So like I said, I've never had one. So, but yeah, just wanted to show you what I'm working on, and what I got from the local tree guy. So, thanks for watching.